Does your Audi have the seat ventilation option for both the driver and front passenger seat, but you are not sure how to use it? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to activate the seat ventilation for both the driver and front passenger seat, and how to adjust the settings for the seat ventilation in your Audi. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. If your Audi has these small tiny holes in the front seat, then your Audi most likely has a seat ventilation option, which will certainly make your rides more comfortable, especially on warm days. To activate the seat ventilation of the driver's seat, you simply need to press this button. The three blue color blocks above the icon confirms that the seat ventilation is activated. By clicking this button again, the seat ventilation will turn on more softly. If all the blue color blocks above the icon are gone, then the seat ventilation is turned off again. However, you can also adjust some settings yourself for the seat ventilation. Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Car. Go to Seats. You will now enter the menu where you can adjust various settings for the driver and front passenger seat of your Audi. Swipe to the right until you see the Seat Temperature Balance menu. Click on the right icon under the image of the seat to open the seat ventilation menu. The change of color of the menu into blue instead of red confirms that you have entered the seat ventilation menu. You can now adjust the seat ventilation for both the backrest and the seat cushion of the driver's seat. By swiping the icon on the left side all the way up, you will only activate the seat ventilation of the backrest. By swiping the icon on the left side all the way down, you will only activate the seat ventilation of the seat cushion. Would you like to activate the seat ventilation of the front passenger seat? Click on this button. To adjust the settings for the seat ventilation of the front passenger seat, go to the Audi MMI screen and click on the arrow on the right side. You will now enter the seat temperature menu of the front passenger seat. Click on the left icon under the image of the seat to open the seat ventilation menu. The change of color of the menu into blue instead of red confirms that you have entered the seat ventilation menu. You can now adjust the seat ventilation for both the backrest and the seat cushion of the front passenger seat. By swiping the icon on the right side all the way up, you will only activate the seat ventilation of the backrest. By swiping the icon on the right side all the way down, you will only activate the seat ventilation of the seat cushion. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.